Ready, set, drone. Flying a drone comes with responsibilities. Here's what you need to know before you fly. You must register as an operator, display and upload your operator ID, and get trained. There are some places you can't fly. Check the geo zones to be sure. Now you're ready to take off. But remember the rules. Stay under 120 meters and always keep your drone in sight. Keep a safe distance from people and never overfly groups. Homes and gardens are people's private spaces. Respect their privacy and drone responsibly. Fly smart, fly safe. Go to IAA.ie/drones for more.